Hey love bugs, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samara Curtiss, and this week we are back with another video. So if you want to be a part of this amazing YouTube family, remember to click down below and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos. As you can see, I got my knotless box braids in and done. They're about a week old, and I want to give you guys a couple styles of how you can really style up or down your hair to give it a little different flavor and look. So if you want to see these few styles, keep watching. Okay, so to get started, you'll just need a few items. The first one being some hairpins or bobby pins, whatever you guys like to call them. The second item is some hair ties or scrunchies. And the third one are small rubber bands. And since we have all our supplies, let's get into these hairstyles. Okay, so the first hairstyle is my go-to simple, just middle part. My hair is separated and I pull it back. I've even added some cute little hair charms or accessories, whatever you want to call them, into my hair. I have a really cute cross little charm, and I will tag where I got these hair charms. Okay, so the second style is just a deep part, and my braider actually parted my hair so I can do these different types of parts, and I just swoop it all over as such, and I'll tuck these few ones behind my ear, and I'll make sure all of these are like laying flat. This is the second style. Okay, so let's get into the real style. So the first one, I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and I'm going to let the hair just kind of chill as is, but I'm going to take two braids from this side, pull it behind my ear, do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna pull it behind my head, but there's a little catch. So I'm gonna secure it with a hair tie or a rubber band, either or, and then once it's all pulled behind your hair and secure, not too tight because you don't want to like irritate your edges and then you lose edges. So once my hair is all pulled behind and secure with a hair tie, I'm gonna go ahead and twist the hair, and we're gonna make a mini bun by just wrapping it around and around and around. And we're just gonna secure it by tucking those loose hairs down behind. So it's still down, but so it's not falling in your face, we pull it behind and secure it with a cute little bun. Okay, so the next style, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a side part, not as deep as that first style that I showed you when the hair was just all down, but we're gonna make a part, and then we're gonna grab 3 braids, and we're gonna braid those braids, but we're gonna be adding in hair as we braid, so it's kind of making like a half crown look. And we're just gonna keep braiding and adding 1 braid in each time we go, so the braid's not getting too big, but it's still being secured to the head as we are braiding. And we're gonna go ahead and secure the hair with a hair tie. So that's another style. Just tuck that side behind. For the next hairstyle, we're gonna keep this braid in. We're gonna grab 1 braid that we didn't do, or 2, and we're just gonna pull that behind. And we're gonna grab another braid from this side, and we're gonna secure that with a hair tie as well. And that's another style. The next style that we're going to do is gonna be back to our middle part. And it's gonna be a low pony. So we're just gonna make sure all of this is flat. And we're gonna secure our low pony with a hair tie. Okay, so once this ponytail is all secure and looking neat, we are gonna grab a few braids from underneath the ponytail, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap those around. So we're hiding the hair tie. And we're gonna go ahead and secure it by just tucking it in, and we have a very cute ponytail. The next style that we're gonna do is another side part, but this time we're going to go ahead and twist it to give our hair a little bit of texture. So as you can see, it's not a deep side part, but I'm just gonna take a few hairs and just twist them back. So starting at the top, anyone could do this. If you don't know how to braid, all you're doing is taking the hair and looping it back. Taking the hair and looping it back. So this is a great style if someone doesn't know how to braid, but they still wanna do like a cute, out of their face and up out of the way look. So we're gonna just twist that all the way down. And we're gonna secure that with a hair tie as well. Take a braid that we did not use and kind of let it be tucked away with these other braids so it looks like effortlessly pulled back. Same with this side. And we're gonna go ahead and secure that with a hair tie or a rubber band. And if you wanna get real spicy, go ahead and undo the twist and kind of let this hair out so just the top part of your hair will be twisted and it's still all out and down and hanging. Pull behind the ear. Okay, so the next style is that same front crown twist, but we're gonna just pull it into like a low side ponytail this time to keep all the hair like off of our back. So once that is twisted all the way down, we're gonna go ahead and swoop all of our other braids over and bunch them on up. And we're gonna secure this with a ponytail holder. For the next look, we're gonna go ahead and keep this side part and we're gonna gather just a few of these front braids and we're gonna go ahead and make a bang with the braids. You wanna make sure they're all flat as can be. And we're gonna go ahead and bring that behind our ear. And we're gonna let that hang. Well, actually we can let that hang right there. We're gonna take the rest of our hair into a ponytail. We're gonna make sure these are all flat. And we're gonna go ahead and swoop around. So once we have the bang action in place, we're gonna take that extra hair that is part of the bang and we're gonna wrap that around our ponytail, covering the hair tie. Okay, so the next hairstyle we have that we're gonna do is gonna be a half up, half down hairstyle. So we're gonna go ahead and gather up our braids. And we're gonna go ahead and put that in a ponytail. And we're gonna secure it with a hair tie. Okay, then we're gonna take two braids, and we're gonna wrap it around the hair tie to cover it. And we're gonna secure it by either tucking it or using bobby pins. And we have half up, half down. Next hairstyle, we're gonna take this, we're gonna undo the secure part around the hair tie. We're gonna just twist it all the way down. My charm's peeking out. And we're just gonna wrap it. So we're gonna tuck it or secure it with a hairpin. And this would be really nice if you had like some charms on these pieces, like something really simple. Okay, so this next one is not something I would usually wear, but it's a fun hairstyle. So what we're gonna do is take a few braids, but we're going to go in with one hair tie. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we have two cute half up, half down ponytails. And you don't have to wear them like up here, but you can push them back kind of. And it's just another nice style. Okay, the next style, we're gonna take a few pieces, a few braids, and we're gonna go ahead and just braid those up. So once we have these two braids, we're gonna go ahead and just take them and we're gonna go ahead and just secure them back. And if you want, You could turn this little part again into like a little mini bun like how we did with the first pullback look. But I'm gonna show you one of my go-to all the time favorite styles, which is the classic, simple, neat, big bun. So let's get into it. So once we have our bun neat, well, we have the foundation to the bun neat, we're gonna go ahead, everything is up here, secured with a hair tie. We're just gonna get to twisting. So get your muscles out, lift some weights, because once you do these a few times, it gets crazy. And we're gonna twist. Twist, twist, twist. And then we're gonna take it and wrap it. I love this look because I love when your hair is just up out of your face and you can wear like super dramatic statement earrings. And honestly, for this look, you don't really need a hairpin to secure it, just pull it tight and tuck it. But yes, this is the bun. Everything's pulled up, no hair on my shoulders, no hair on my back. And that is the final hairstyle. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the few hairstyles I was able to give you all to kind of switch up your braids from just always having to wear them down. But I suggest everyone try knotless braids. If you have a braider in your area, try them out. They're amazing for the summertime. They don't last that long, but me personally, I love the little frizzy, worn out kind of braided look because it gives it just that worn, wear and tear type look that I like. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, love bugs.